TB500 is a synthetic form of thymosin beta-4, or TB4, a peptide that occurs naturally in nearly all human cells. Its primary function in the body is to promote healing, tissue repair, and cell migration. Here's a more detailed scientific breakdown of its benefits brought to you by cmdultrasound.com. 1. Promotes angiogenesis, or blood vessel formation. TB500 stimulates angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels from pre-existing ones, primarily through the activation of vascular endothelial growth factor, or VEGF. This process enhances blood flow to damaged areas, promoting faster healing and nutrient delivery to tissues. 2. Enhances actin binding. TB500's ability to bind to actin plays a pivotal role in its mechanism of action. Actin is a cytoskeletal protein essential for cell movement and shape. By regulating actin, TB500 promotes the migration of cells, particularly fibroblasts and keratinocytes, to injury sites, facilitating tissue repair. 3. Reduces inflammation. TB500 modulates cytokine activity, specifically reducing levels of pro-inflammatory cytokines such as interleukin-6 and tumor necrosis factor alpha. This anti-inflammatory action helps alleviate chronic inflammation and promotes faster recovery from injuries like tendinitis or arthritis. 4. Improves tissue healing and repair. By promoting cell migration, known as chemotaxis, TB500 speeds up the repair of muscle fibers, ligaments, tendons, and even internal organs. The peptide induces progenitor cell differentiation, leading to tissue regeneration and repair at the cellular level. Its presence increases the rate of epithelial cell migration over wounds, helping in faster re-epithelialization of damaged tissues. 5. Reduces fibrosis. TB500 helps reduce fibrosis, which is the overproduction of connective tissue during wound healing that leads to scar formation. This is due to its influence on reducing collagen deposition and promoting the remodeling of scar tissue, keeping tissues more functional and less stiff. This makes it particularly useful for preventing excess scarring and improving flexibility after injury. 6. Cardioprotective properties. Preclinical studies suggest that TB500 may have protective effects on the heart, particularly after myocardial infarction or heart attack. It has been observed to reduce the size of infarcts and promote the healing of cardiac tissue. This is likely due to its angiogenic properties and its ability to reduce fibrosis, which can improve heart function post-injury. Enhance muscle growth and recovery. TB500 has been shown to stimulate the development of satellite cells, a type of stem cell involved in muscle repair and growth. Satellite cells proliferate in response to injury or stress, contributing to muscle regeneration. TB500 increases the rate at which these cells differentiate into mature muscle fibers, facilitating muscle growth and recovery. Improves hair growth. TB500 has shown the potential to improve hair growth due to its influence on keratinocyte migration and angiogenesis. These factors can stimulate hair follicle activity and promote the regeneration of dormant hair follicles, potentially benefiting those with hair loss or thinning. Mechanism of action. TB500 binds to actin, promoting cytoskeletal reorganization that is crucial for cell migration, particularly in wound healing. It also induces the upregulation of genes responsible for VEGF for angiogenesis, matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, and which break down extracellular matrix components to facilitate tissue remodeling, and tropomyosin, involved in muscle contraction and regulation of cell motility. In summary, TB500 promotes healing through its regulation of angiogenesis, cell migration, and anti-inflammatory effects, while also inhibiting excessive fibrosis. Its wide-ranging benefits make it potentially useful in treating injuries, promoting tissue repair, and improving recovery in a variety of medical and therapeutic contexts. However, its use outside clinical trials requires further investigation for long-term safety and efficacy.